Hello and welcome to Nexttut. My name is Arash and I'll be your instructor in this tutorial. Do you want to learn how to create modular environments? So I welcome you to Nexttut's complete guide to modular environment creation. The theme of this course is a Victorian era street that has a residential building that has the simplicity to be a starter for us. And then we go for a more complex one that is a museum building that has a lot of complexity, and we are going to learn a lot of things creating it. We start by the planning and learn how important the planning stage is. And then after making sure that we have a good planning, we go for the blockout. And after creating a solid blockout, we will move to iteration parts. And in the first iteration, we will start to create the bare bones of the environment, including tiling materials, tiling geometries, and basically anything that is going to be skeletal for the environment. And then after that, in phase 2, we will start to create more complex details, including nanite meshes that have a lot of complexity, and of course tiling geometries. One of the most important benefits of this course is learning how to save time in the production. We will reuse as much as possible from the kits that we have. And of course, we will learn how to vertex blend to hide a bit of tiling because modular environments in their nature are a bit repetitive. And we learn some techniques to hide them, including the vertex blending, how to paint different materials on the same mesh on the fly inside Unreal Engine, and then using the second UV channel to bring in more tiling details onto the mesh to make that less repetitive. So if you're excited to enter the journey of modular environment creation, come join me in this one. My name is Arash from Nexttut. Looking forward to have a great learning experience together. Okay, see you there.